Hi guys, Rick Damon here with Cowtown USA in Cuba, Missouri. How can I start with this trailer? It's pretty unique. It's got about a 16 foot short wall somewhere in there with a slide, dual propane, dual hydraulic jacks, power awning, side load unload ramp, rear ramp on the back, collapsible rear tack, mangers, drop down doors, escape doors, stud divider, satellite system. I believe that's a satellite system. Look and see on that one for sure. Aluminum wheels, 14 ply radial tires that are good, serviced and ready to go. This is pretty unique here. I mean, this stall is, if you got a monster horse, he'll fit. If you want to take a side-by-side or ATV and ride with your horses, looks like to me it's going to fit. Just depending on the dimensions, I guess. Fully insulated roof, two-way roof fence that'll pull the air in or out. Fully padded, fully lined. Inside of the compartment's good. Does have your mangers. I'll walk around over there, I guess, before I go in. I mentioned the rear ramp. There she be. Nice big butt windows. Now, I mean, these latches are. And this is a Bighorn model. This is one of the top ends of Lakota. Aluminum floor, aluminum frame, collapsible rear tack, removable and adjustable saddle racks, load lights here on the back, brush trays here. There's your Cummins Olin generator, your mangers, bars in front of the horses' faces. Full escape door. Your armor plating run front to back. Okay. Fresh water, city water. So if you want to haul your water, you come to here. If you hook up at the campgrounds, it's right here. And again, we mentioned the dual propane bottles, the bigger bottles. You also have the aluminum battery box. So your batteries stay your batteries. I'll take you on the inside. Okay, it is a Bighorn. I'll tell you some things that I like about it right off the bat. It has got a huge set of steps. I really like that part, and the customers we show turns to really like it as well. Drawers and storage all the way around. Closet on the right, hanging closet. Closet on the left, day and night shades. Another hanging closet here and a matching table. Okay. More storage, flat screen TV. Let me open this door so you can see a little better. A little bit more light in here. Horsehair covered stools. Got your bar system here, dual stainless steel sinks, couch that makes into a bed. Does have the slide out. He's got the soft touch ceiling. Let's see here. More storage here and access to a water pump. A nice mirror here. And again, your day and night shades. Daylight, nighttime, in between. All your trim is kind of like saddle scrolling. I'll show you here on your couch. Matching pillows. Recessed cooktop. And your convection oven so you could bake whatever you need to do. Got really nice crown molding here. And it's big. So the trimming here is really nice. I've not seen any evidence of leaking or has leaked or any damage at all. This looks like this might be an 8 old refrigerator, so it's the nice big freezer in it. Nice big fridge here on the bottom. Pretty cold already. Pretty super cool clock. Okay, let's step in here. Let's step in here in the horse department. Nice big radius shower, so lots of room. Another hanging closet here in the bathroom. And then foldings in here. Nice big vanity. Dual mirrors. Okay. Alright. I mean, it's clean. It's serviced. Again, generator. Dual hydraulic jacks. Closet. Slide out. Day and night shades. Soft touch ceiling. Stereo speakers inside, outside. Power vent in the bathroom. You set it with the temperature you want to work on. Okay, now here's one of the more unique things in this trailer. I'm going to kind of show you this. I just walked out the side ramp on it. I mean, that's big enough to put a small ATV, insulated ceiling as well. I get sidetracked here. Mare and baby, separate room for a stallion or something you want completely separated. It's your fold down rear ramp here. I think we've already went over this once, so I'm not going to bore you with details. Anyway, if you're looking for a nice, clean trailer with a huge discount off of new, again, power awning. It's got your weather guard on the awning as well. So all those things. The paint's good and bright on it. Got a stainless steel nose. It looks like the trailer spent a lot of time on the inside. So give us a call, 573-885-6300, 573-885-6300. Ask for Jack or Sean, or if they're busy, you can ask me. My name's Rick. You need more pictures, more videos, we'll do that. Right now, I've covered it the best that I know how to cover it. Thank you.